Wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it, growing it, and using it wisely. Yet, most people never achieve financial success, not because they lack intelligence, but because they follow the wrong financial habits. Society conditions us to work hard, save a little, and hope for the best, but the wealthy play by different rules. They understand that financial success comes from mindset, strategy, and taking action early. The truth is, most people remain stuck in financial mediocrity because they make critical mistakes without even realizing it. They overspend, avoid investing, fear failure, and rely on unstable sources of income. If you don't take control of your money, someone else will, whether it's the government, corporations, or lenders. But here's the good news. Financial freedom is possible for anyone willing to learn and apply the right principles. By understanding the hidden traps that keep people poor, you can break free and start building true wealth today. Get ready to uncover the biggest mistakes that hold people back and discover the powerful strategies that can transform your financial future. And before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing financial insights. 1. Money is a tool, not the goal. Many people spend their lives chasing money, believing that wealth itself is the ultimate achievement. However, the truth is that money is nothing more than a tool, a means to create opportunities, security, and freedom. Those who understand this shift their focus from simply earning more to using their money strategically. They invest in appreciating assets, build businesses, and create passive income streams that allow them to generate wealth without constantly trading time for money. When you stop seeing money as the final goal and start using it as a tool, your financial decisions become clearer. You begin to prioritize long-term stability over short-term indulgences. The wealthy don't just earn money, they control how it works for them, ensuring that every dollar is allocated toward growth. Financial success isn't about how much you make but how effectively you use what you have. The key is to move beyond the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and focus on building systems that allow your money to multiply. If you're only working for money without a clear financial strategy, you're missing the real purpose of wealth. True financial independence comes from using money as a resource to design the life you truly want. 2. Time is more valuable than money. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money while failing to recognize that time is the most valuable asset of all. Unlike money, which can always be earned, invested, or recovered, time is a non-renewable resource. Once a moment is gone, it's gone forever. That's why the wealthiest individuals prioritize freedom over income. They focus on building businesses, assets, and passive income streams that allow them to generate money without sacrificing their time. While most people trade hours for paychecks, the wealthy create systems where money flows in even when they're not working. The goal isn't to work harder but to work smarter, maximizing your earning potential while freeing up time to enjoy life. Those who understand this principle avoid wasting years in jobs they hate just to make ends meet. Instead, they invest in high-income skills, automate income streams, and build financial independence so they can reclaim their time. The moment you realize that your time is more valuable than any amount of money, your approach to work and wealth creation will change forever. The key to financial success isn't just making more, it's using your time wisely to create a future where you no longer have to trade hours for dollars. 3. Saving alone won't make you rich for decades. People have been taught that saving money is the key to financial security. While having a safety net is important, the reality is that saving alone will never make you wealthy. Inflation reduces the value of money over time, meaning that every dollar sitting in your bank account loses purchasing power year after year. The wealthy don't just save, they invest. They understand that money must be put to work in order to grow. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or business ventures, investing allows your money to multiply rather than sit idle. Those who rely solely on saving often find themselves struggling to keep up with rising costs, while those who invest see their wealth increase exponentially. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound, turning even small contributions into significant fortunes. If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to go beyond saving and focus on wealth-building strategies that outpace inflation. The rich don't just save for the future, they create it by putting their money in places where it can grow. The longer you wait to invest, the harder it becomes to build wealth. Don't let fear or uncertainty keep you from taking action. Start now, no matter how small. 4. Debt can either make you or break you. Most people fear debt because they only see its negative side: high-interest credit cards, student loans, and financial stress. But in reality, debt is neither good nor bad, it's how you use it that matters. The wealthy understand that debt can be a powerful tool when used correctly. They leverage borrowed money to invest in real estate, businesses, and appreciating assets that generate income. Instead of using debt to finance luxuries or unnecessary purchases, they use it strategically to create wealth. On the other hand, bad debt, such as overspending on consumer goods or carrying high-interest credit balances, traps people in financial struggles. If you don't learn how to use debt to your advantage, it will end up controlling you. The key is to differentiate between productive debt that builds wealth and destructive debt that drains your finances. If you understand how to leverage borrowed money wisely, you can accelerate your financial growth instead of being held back by it. The secret to wealth isn't avoiding debt altogether, it's learning how to use it in a way that increases your financial stability rather than depleting it. 5. Schools don't teach real financial education from a young age. We're taught math, science, and history, but almost no formal education system teaches financial literacy. As a result, most people grow up with little understanding of how to manage money, invest, or build wealth. They enter adulthood knowing how to solve equations but not how to create a budget, handle taxes, or grow their income. The truth is, schools are designed to prepare people for employment, not financial independence. That's why most adults struggle with money, falling into debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and failing to build real wealth. The difference between the wealthy and the average person is that the wealthy take financial education into their own hands. They read books, attend seminars, seek mentors, and apply real-world strategies to grow their wealth. If you want to break free from financial struggles, you must actively educate yourself on money management, investing, and wealth building. Financial success isn't about what you learn in school, it's about what you teach yourself outside of it. The sooner you start developing financial literacy, the sooner you'll be able to take control of your financial future. The world rewards those who understand money, and the more you educate yourself, the greater your chances of achieving financial freedom. 6. Multiple income streams are no longer optional. Gone are the days when a single income source was enough to sustain financial security. The traditional path of working a steady job, saving for retirement, and expecting lifelong stability is no longer reliable. Economic shifts, recessions, job losses, and unexpected financial crises can wipe out your primary income overnight. That's why the wealthy don't depend on just one source of earnings, they build multiple streams of income. Whether it's business ventures, investments, rental properties, or side hustles, having diverse income sources ensures financial security even in uncertain times. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income, allowing them to grow wealth without relying on a single paycheck. If you want to achieve financial independence, you must start diversifying your income today. The more streams you create, the more financial resilience you build. Even if you start small, the key is to establish multiple ways to earn, ensuring that no single event can ruin your financial stability. The world is constantly changing, and those who rely on a single source of income risk being left behind. Take control of your financial future by creating income streams that work for you, not just for your employer. 7. Financial freedom isn't about how much you earn. Most people think the key to wealth is making more money, but income alone doesn't determine financial success. Many high earners still struggle financially because they mismanage their money. Financial freedom comes from how you manage, save, and invest what you earn, not just the size of your paycheck. It's possible to make a modest income and still build wealth if you control expenses and prioritize investing. On the other hand, even a 6-figure salary won't lead to financial success if spending habits are out of control. The secret isn't just making more, it's making smarter decisions with the money you already have. 8. Inflation is stealing your wealth every year. Many people ignore inflation, but it's silently eroding your purchasing power every year. The cost of goods and services rises over time, meaning the same amount of money buys less as years pass. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're losing wealth without realizing it. That's why keeping cash in a savings account isn't enough. You need to invest in assets that outpace inflation. Real estate, stocks, and other appreciating investments protect your money's value over time. Ignoring inflation is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. 9. The tax system rewards investors and business owners. Most people don't realize that the tax system is designed to benefit those who invest and create businesses. The wealthy pay fewer taxes because they use legal strategies to reduce their tax burden. Business owners receive tax breaks, real estate investors can deduct expenses, and long-term investors benefit from lower tax rates. Meanwhile, employees pay the highest taxes because they earn active income rather than passive income. Understanding tax laws and structuring your finances wisely can save you thousands of dollars each year. The more you know about tax benefits, the more wealth you can keep and grow. 10. You will never get rich by playing it safe. Most people are afraid of financial risk, so they play it safe, saving instead of investing, working for a paycheck instead of building a business, and avoiding new opportunities. But true wealth is built by taking calculated risks. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, and business owner understands that risk is necessary for financial growth. Playing it safe keeps you trapped in mediocrity. The key isn't to avoid risk entirely but to take smart, well-researched risks that offer high rewards. If you never step outside your comfort zone, you'll never reach your full financial potential. 11. Your network determines your net worth. The people you surround yourself with have a massive impact on your financial success. If you spend time with people who have poor money habits, you're more likely to adopt the same behaviors. On the other hand, if you build relationships with financially successful individuals, you'll gain knowledge, opportunities, and motivation to grow your wealth. Wealthy people understand the power of networking and intentionally connect with those who can help them level up. The right connections can lead to business deals, investment opportunities, and valuable financial insights. If you want to accelerate your wealth building journey, start surrounding yourself with people who inspire and challenge you financially. 12. Scarcity mindset versus abundance mindset. Your beliefs about money shape your financial future. People with a scarcity mindset see wealth as limited, believing that if someone else gets rich, there's less for them. This thinking leads to fear-based decisions, hoarding money, and avoiding opportunities. Those with an abundance mindset, however, understand that wealth is limitless. They focus on growth, taking calculated risks, and continuously finding ways to increase their income. If you believe money is hard to get, you'll always struggle financially. But if you believe in endless opportunities, you'll attract wealth by seeking new ways to earn and invest. 13. Financial discipline is more important than financial intelligence. You don't need to be a financial expert to build wealth, you need discipline. Many intelligent people still struggle financially because they lack control over their spending and saving habits. On the other hand, even those with average knowledge can achieve financial success through consistency, smart budgeting, and disciplined investing. The ability to resist impulse spending, stick to a financial plan, and continuously invest is what separates the wealthy from those who remain broke. Success in money isn't about how much you know, it's about how well you apply what you know over time. 14. The fear of failure holds most people back from wealth. Most people never achieve financial success because they're afraid of failing. They hesitate to start a business, invest in assets, or take risks because they fear losing money. But failure is a necessary part of financial growth. Every successful investor, entrepreneur, and millionaire has experienced setbacks before finding success. The key is to learn from mistakes, adjust strategies, and keep moving forward. The fear of failure keeps people stuck in financial mediocrity. Those who embrace failure as a learning opportunity are the ones who ultimately achieve wealth. 15. Wealth comes from ownership, not just labor. Most people are stuck in the mindset of trading time for money. They work for a paycheck but never build assets that generate income without constant effort. The wealthy focus on ownership, owning businesses, real estate, intellectual property, or stocks that create passive income. True financial freedom comes from owning assets that work for you even when you're not actively working. If you want to escape the cycle of working just to pay bills, start focusing on acquiring things that generate wealth over time. 16. Money flows to those who solve problems. The highest paid people in the world are those who solve the biggest problems. Whether it's a business that fills a market need, an invention that improves lives, or a service that adds value, wealth is built by providing solutions. The more value you create for others, the more money you will attract. Instead of just focusing on making money, focus on solving problems, meeting needs, and adding value. When you shift your mindset to serving others, financial success becomes a natural outcome. 17. Your financial habits predict your future. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's the result of daily financial habits. Small decisions, like saving a percentage of your income, investing consistently, and controlling spending, determine your financial future. People who struggle with money often have destructive habits, like impulse buying, avoiding financial planning, or ignoring investments. On the other hand, those who build wealth develop smart habits early and stick with them. If you want to be financially successful, examine your current money habits and start making better choices today. 18. The media and society keep you financially stuck. Many people remain financially trapped because they follow mainstream advice that doesn't actually lead to wealth. Society teaches people to work for a paycheck, save in a bank, and retire at 65. Meanwhile, the wealthy play by different rules, investing early, creating passive income, and taking advantage of tax benefits. The media promotes consumerism, encouraging people to spend rather than invest. If you want to break free from financial struggle, stop following the traditional path and start thinking like the rich. 19. Financial success requires patience and long-term thinking. Most people want quick money, which is why so many fall for get-rich-quick schemes, high-risk trading, or unsustainable business ideas. But real wealth is built over time. The richest investors didn't get wealthy overnight, they allowed their assets to grow consistently over decades. The biggest financial mistake you can make is expecting instant success. The sooner you embrace patience and long-term strategy, the faster you'll see real financial progress. 20. The only person responsible for your financial future is you. Many people blame external factors, bad luck, the economy, or unfair circumstances, for their financial struggles. But the truth is, no one is coming to rescue you. Your financial future is entirely in your hands. The sooner you take responsibility for your money, the faster you'll see progress. No matter where you start, you have the power to change your financial situation by making smarter decisions, learning new skills, and taking action. If you want to build wealth, stop making excuses and start creating the future you want today. Financial success isn't about luck, it's about the choices you make every single day. If you keep following the same habits that keep most people broke, you'll stay stuck in the same financial cycle. But the moment you start thinking differently, making smarter money moves, and taking responsibility for your financial future, everything changes. It's not about how much money you make, it's about how you manage, invest, and multiply it over time. The biggest financial regrets come from waiting too long, fearing failure, and not taking action when you had the chance. If you don't start building wealth today, when will you? No matter where you are right now, you can turn your financial situation around by learning, adapting, and making intentional money decisions. The key to wealth isn't working harder, it's working smarter, owning assets, and thinking long-term. The wealthy don't follow the rules set by society, they create their own path to financial freedom. If you want to be financially free, start now. Break free from limiting beliefs, take action, and commit to your financial growth. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, like and subscribe for more powerful strategies that will change your life.